Sausage, egg, and cheese on blueberry muffin tops. Does it get more delicious than this? I don't think so. I really don't. And it's super simple. And what better way to start your day than with breakfast on the Blackstone? And this is a breakfast. You can meal prep these if you want to, but it's going to be hard to do that because once you start making them and start eating them, you're probably going to eat more than 1, 2, maybe even 3. I don't know how many you eat, but you better make a bunch if you're going to meal prep. And you can tell by the ingredients that there's not a whole lot to this recipe. And that's the great thing about doing a recipe like this. Not a whole lot of prep. You can add, take away, whatever you need to do. Pretty much only prep you got to do for this recipe is crack eggs in the bowl, which I've already done. So now's a good time to go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. Why? Because your family, well, you, whoever you're cooking this for is waiting on breakfast. So let's go check on that grill and see if it's ready to cook on. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoke. You know what that means? It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. We're going to start off by cooking up some breakfast sausage first. Now, this again is something that, well, it's 100% up to you. I'm going to use about half the tube here. If you want hot sausage, mild sausage, a different type of breakfast sausage, there again, you can use whatever you want. Picked up some Jimmy Dean mild because that's usually what the family likes. So now all we got to do is just brown this up. Shouldn't take long to brown up this sausage. There are just few things in this world that really get me going. And the smell of breakfast sausage on the Blackstone is one of them. And just like that, this sausage is done. Got a little crust on there, a little char. Beautiful. So let's slide this over to the side right now. Turn our burners down and grab our eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our eggs here and dump our sausage straight into it. Just like that. Then I'm gonna take some cheese and I'm gonna add an unhealthy amount in there. I love a lot of cheese. And we're not done yet. Grab up that lumberjack seasoning. And let's add a good bit of that in there. Then grab your fork. And let's combine all this together, y'all. Probably gonna make more than 3 like I'm expecting, but that's okay. I can make an omelet or something else out of the rest of it. Won't go to waste, I promise you. But that is looking really good. I'd make a good looking omelet right there, wouldn't it, y'all? So now that this is all mixed up, let's put that down. Let's clear this off. Grab you some butter and an egg ring. Just lightly coat the inside of an egg ring here. Put it on a griddle. And once you get the egg rings on there, try to get the handle to stand up. You'll be okay. We just ain't wanting to play today, are they? That's okay. We're gonna make them play. I got enough left over from a big old omelet. Now we'll just let these cook on one side for just a little bit. But while these are going, I want you to just look at the goodness that have filled these egg rings right now. That alone right there would be good, but we're gonna make it even better. And in case you're wondering why we turn the griddle down to low when we had it on how to cook that sausage, eggs need to cook at a lot lower temperature, just makes them better. Now, these things have been going for, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes or so, but I don't want to burn that bottom side of the egg. I know when I pull these up, some of that egg's gonna come out, but that'll be okay. We'll make it work. Let's go ahead and pull some of these out. Get up under it, give it a flip. That did pretty good, better than I thought it would, honestly. Look at that. Perfect. Love it. That turned out a lot better than I expected, I ain't gonna lie. Let's get these egg rings off the griddle now. And so now, we got the eggs flipped. We need to work on the muffin tops. Grab up that butter we had earlier. And it's starting to melt pretty good here, but that's all right. We're gonna put a good bit down over here. In case you're wondering about the muffin tops I'm using, I found these, Thomas makes these. They make the English muffins and stuff, but I found these in the grocery store the other day in the muffin tops. I'm like, that ought to make a good sandwich. And honestly, I've never tried this, so you're trying it with me. Anyhow, give you an idea what these muffin tops look like. Well, like a top of muffin top. So we'll just put that back there and toast them up. Now we're making 3 of these, so we need 6 of these. Making 3 sandwiches, so yeah, 6. Had to think about math for a minute. You get this last one on the griddle right there. Now I'm not looking really to toast these muffin tops up like you would, I guess, normal toast. I'm just looking to warm them up a little bit. But I'm telling you right now, you can smell that blueberry coming off these muffin tops. And look how good these eggs right here turned out, y'all. Man, it's gonna be really good breakfast. Let's just check and see how the muffin tops are looking. A little steam coming off of them, that's all I'm looking for right there. Yes, sir. I say we take everything up, go over here and build them. So grab you a cutting board. Let's get these eggs off here. And get all these muffin tops up on here. Now, let's take them over here and work on them. I don't know about you, but if you served it to me on a plate like this, I'd kind of be happy, but we're not done. Let's go ahead and turn 3 of these over to the side we kind of had on the griddle. And we'll place our eggs on there. Let me get over here where y'all can see them. Now, all we do is top them off. There you go, that's simple. You got your egg, you got your sausage, you got your cheese, and you got your blueberry, you got your oats, you got your muffin. That's a lot packed into this little sandwich. They smell amazing, and I can't wait to dive into one of them to see if they taste amazing. But before I do, I gotta show you these up close. I gotta get my reels, get my picks, and then I gotta try them out. I just gotta do my job. I am really loving how these right here turned out. I mean, that's everything you can want in a breakfast right there. Simple, fast, quick, and in a hurry. So how'd that look for a breakfast sandwich? Now, I'll be the first to admit, it's not the most colorful thing in the world. Maybe add a little, some chives or something in there in that mix and kind of add a little more color to it. Maybe some bell peppers. Like I said, there's always options. Speaking of which, you're really good at it. Let me know down below in the comments what you would add, take away, do different to these sandwiches. But right now, I got to try one out. I think I'm going to go for this one right here in the middle, y'all. Oh, the thing is so warm. Son. Dang it, boy. I got to have another bite. That is delicious. First off, that muffin top is amazing. Sweet, blueberry, has the oats in it. Love it. But then you add in that savory seasoning here, this lumberjack seasoning, along with that sausage, that egg, and that cheese. This really combines to make a really, really, really good way to start your day. I get it right. I don't even know what to say. It's so good. This is the perfect way to start your day, end your day, or even just take a break in the day. Whatever you want to do with these. I say make them, is what I say. But with that, I gotta take these inside. I need to cook the rest of these eggs up too. I'm gonna make me a big old omelet out of it. But I hope you enjoy these 2 videos right here. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this out. Love to have more people here with us. And we'll see you next time. And just in case y'all wanted to see it, here is the omelet that I made with the remaining amount of that egg mixture. Man, this is gonna be good too.